Hi guys, welcome to my channel Psychic Sun Tarot. My name is Jyoti. I'll be doing a reading for Sagittarius today. We will see what do we have for Sagittarius. We are going to do for both Sagittarius who are in relationship and Sagittarius who are single. So I'll start with people who are in relationship and then we'll proceed further with Saggis who are single, and we will see your energy, your person's energy and the outcome. This is a general reading guys, take what resonates and leave the rest. So guys, as usual, I'd like to tell you that these are general readings. It will resonate to most of you but not all of you, okay? Keep in mind that they are general readings. All right, so let's start with Sagittarius. We will see what do we have in store for Sagittarius. If you are a cross watcher, please reverse the energies. And this is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter sign. So let's see what do we have for Sagittarius. Let's see what do we have for Sagittarius. Wow, we have the Ace of Pentacles. Six of Swords. Four of Wands in reverse. King of Cups. Sagittarius, you are being offered a very strong commitment, okay? I don't know, for some of you I feel that you are already in a very strong commitment, very strong commitment. Your relationship is very divine, and yeah, this is the Seven of Wands. I do see that some of, okay, we have the Four of Pentacles. Sagittarius, I feel that some of you are in a very strong relationship. This is a very divine connection, but ego is coming between both of you, you and your partner. I do see ego problems. I feel that you are waiting for your person to show love and they are waiting for you to show love. So that kind of an energy. We have the Nine of Pentacles. Sagittarius, this person that you are in relationship with, they really like you. Love is mutual is what I feel here. The only issue that I see is ego issues. You know, it's like you both are holding on to emotions. You are not expressive, neither are they. You expect them to take initiative and they expect you to take the initiative first. So that is something. Three of Cups, that is something which is a big hindrance in this relationship. Yeah. Sagittarius, I feel that you really want to get married to this person. You want to get married, but you feel that you're not sure. You're holding back your emotions because you feel that this person is not paying attention to you, or you know, they are holding on to their emotions. You don't feel that they love you, but this person loves you. I do see ego issues and ego wars for some of you. So if that's the case, I would request you to keep aside the ego, okay? Don't let it come between both of you, because the love is mutual. Sagittarius, please don't ruin this relationship. Okay, yeah, look at this. We have the Temperance, we have the Ten of Pentacles, and we have Knight of Pentacles. You really want this thing. You really want this thing to move forward, Sagittarius. You're literally hoping and wishing that this relationship, you know, goes smoothly, or you know, things go well between both of you. You really fear losing this person, Sagittarius. You really fear losing this person. The love is mutual. I don't see that. Some of you, you are nurturing your friendships. You're focused on making friends at work, or you may have joined some universities, schools, something like this, and you're focused on making friends or building some relationships when it comes to friends. Some of you, I feel that this person you're dealing with, they are very judgmental. Maybe you're dealing with somebody who is very judgmental, or they have a problem for every solution, that kind of a person, or who is this person does judge you, and that is something that you don't like. Maybe you're dealing with somebody who is very judgmental. They judge you for little things, and it pisses you off. You are like, no, I don't like this. You don't want anyone to judge you, Saji. Yeah. I think, guys, you both have to be very careful, and you have to work towards this relationship together, Sagittarius. We have the Magician in reverse, Knight of Cups in reverse. Oh my God. Three of Pentacles. Some of you, I think, what I feel is you guys have to really work on this relationship. In this reading, what I feel is you both are holding on to your emotions. I think you both have to loosen up. You both have to express your love. That's the issue that's causing a trouble in this relationship. If you both want this relationship to move forward, you guys will have to take step, because there are very strong chances that one of you may not prolong this. If it goes this way, one of you may withdraw from this, because one person is judgmental. Now this could be your person. I do see that some of you are dealing with somebody who is judgmental, and you are not quite happy with this. This person feels trapped, you feel trapped, I don't know, and that's the message for you. If things go like this, either of you, now this could be you who may withdraw, or the other person. So the message is just work on this relationship, and it's not just you, it's your person too. You both have to work on this relationship mutually. It's a very strong commitment. This relationship has a potential to go forward. I do see. It's like you're shying away from this person. I do see that kind of an energy. You're shying away from this commitment. It's like, yeah, that is what I feel. The attraction is mutual, the love is mutual, but not expressing your love is something that's causing problem here. Now some of you're waiting for the other person to get free. Maybe the person that you're dealing, Saji, they are in some other relationship, and you're waiting for this person to get free. Or for some of you, I feel that you're dealing with somebody who's already married, or who is about to get divorced. You're waiting for this, or maybe they are in some other relationship. Now you are waiting for this person to get free from that relationship, so that you can proceed further, or you can express. Now that is also one thing that I see here. I think the ego issues, I do see that maybe you are having an ego issues with an Aries, Leo, Saggy. Yeah, you may be having an ego issues with an Aries, Leo, Saggy. And maybe, as I told you, some of you're waiting for this person to get free, who is in a strong commitment. Now this person could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You could be dealing, some of you are dealing with a Saggy also. So that could also be the thing. Yeah, you want family, you want marriage with this person. You fear that, what if you lose this person? That's your fear. Be careful, guys. I do feel that, I don't know, be careful. I think some of you'll have to take action. If you want to propose this person, go ahead, propose. And if you want to express, go ahead and express your love. Because yeah, this person may withdraw. If this goes on like this, your partner, or this could be you also. It's a general reading, so one of you may withdraw if this keeps going on like this. So I'm sure you don't want to lose this person. It's a very strong and divine offer that's there in your life right now, Sagittarius. Okay, so if this person is there, I would request you to please make the move, go forward, express your love, tell this person, express, because if you don't express, how will they know that you really love this person? Okay, sometimes one of the two has to take the initiative. So if you feel that this person is not willing to take initiative, or maybe this person is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or this person could be a Saggy, Gemini who is not willing to express, or a Aries, Leo, Saggy, then I think you should take the step. I think you can move forward and take the step and express your love. Yeah, or else for others of you, yeah, I think that is it. That is what I see in this reading. Let me see if I get any message for you, Sagittarius. We'll see if we have any message for you. For some of you, I feel now this is for some of you, I do see a third person is also involved. Okay, and this is only and only because you both are not being expressive. This person loves you, but I think, yeah, there's somebody else who is trying to get close to this person. So you guys have to buckle up and take the initiative, yeah, to take this relationship forward, because one of you have to. If you don't, somebody else will, and you may lose this person. Because I think some of you, you're dealing with a person who may not bear this for long, or this is a person, if this person gets the same attention from somebody else, they may give up on you. As of now, what I feel, this person really has emotions and feelings for you. They really like you. Okay, now some of you, I feel that maybe you are going to travel somewhere. I do see a short travel for some of you. You're planning a trip. This could be with your partner. If you are married, then yes, this, as I said, if you are already married, then there is this communication gap between both of you. If you're married, ego issues, communication gap. Third party is also involved in some cases. Okay, finances and career. Some of you, I think, finances and career is a reason that's affecting your love life. Could be that one of you is not settled. Now this could be you or your person. Someone is focused on money and career. Now this could be you, and this could be you or the other person. Release your ex. Could be some of you, you may be in a dead relationship, a relationship which is not moving forward, or and see, this is what I feel like picking up. Stay optimistic about your love life. So yeah, some of you, I think you are in a relationship which has no future. Could be ego issues, could be whatever. Okay, so if you feel that you are in a relationship which is not serving you, then just this message is for you. Release. And the last that I see is stay optimistic about your love life. I think I told you, some of you, you're worried about your future. If you are in a marriage that's not serving you, or you are in a relationship where you feel ignored, left out, I feel you just have to stay optimistic. Okay, things are going to turn in your favor. And I told you the last message that's popping up is heart to heart conversations. You guys have to talk. That's the only solution that I see here. You both have to express, talk, go out on a short trip. Only this is something that can save your relationship. Heart to heart conversations. Okay, this is for those of you who really want to save your relationship. Ego is coming in between. I told you at the start, ego issues, etc., etc. So heart to heart conversations is required in this relationship. Okay, so let's see, what do we have in store for singles. So we'll see what do we have in store for singles. Let's see what do we have in store for singles. This card just popped up. Nine of Swords. You are in this energy, singles. Worried, stressed, not knowing what to do, where to go. Stressed about when will you find the right person. Worried about something, someone. Let's see, we'll clarify more, singles. Okay, what is this? Okay, some of you, you've just had a breakup recently. Yeah, you are hurt. We have the Three of Swords. Some of you, you're deeply hurt. You are, oh my God, Four of Swords. And what is this? I'm getting all swords for you, singles. Some of you, you're very much in pain. You're hurt, devastated. You don't know what to do. Stuck, feeling stuck. You are in an energy where you may have isolated yourself. You don't want to talk to anybody. Someone has hurt you, singles. Or it could be that somebody may have abandoned you or left you out in the cold all of a sudden. Someone is not talking to you. Now this could be, yeah, I do feel that there's someone who is not talking to you, or you both are not talking to each other. Maybe some of you, you have had a recent breakup. This person is not talking to you and you're hurt. You're in pain, singles. You don't know what to do. Maybe you're expecting a communication from this person. Some of you, you are single since a long time and you are tired of waiting, you know. You are done. You have like given hope. You are like, when will I find the right person? That kind of an energy. So let's see who is coming towards singles. Let's see. Somebody has hurt you, single now. Yeah. Some of you, you may have had a recent breakup or a recent divorce. This person has literally hurt you, okay? You are hurt and shattered, singles. Yeah. You're waiting for things to get better, or you're waiting for a communication from this person. Maybe somebody, I think you may have gone through a breakup recently. Some of you, not for all. Okay. So let's see. That is what is bothering you. You are worried and hurt, stressed, singles. Okay, what is it? Wheel of Fortune, yeah. Things are going to turn in your favor, singles, very soon. Okay, if this person is not communicating to you, they'll come back to you. Some of you, I think, Tower moment, yeah, I told you, some of you, you've just had a breakup. This person may have left you all of a sudden, or you may have had a fight between both of you and this person stopped communicating. If that's the case, yeah, I feel that things are going to turn in your favor. Look at this, Eight of Swords. This is your energy. Why are you in this energy, Sagittarius? Feeling hurt, betrayed, you don't know what to do, feeling stuck. But whatever it is, guys, I feel that things are going to turn in your favor, singles. Let's see, is this person going to come back? Are they going to reconcile? Let me see. I don't think this person is worth waiting for, singles. Okay. Yeah, okay, what is this? Knight of Pentacles. I don't feel, some of you, you've had a breakup, you know, with this person recently, and I don't feel that person is worth your time and effort, singles. Now, rest is your wish. So I feel that whatever changes you've been going through is happening for your own good, singles. I do see a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn coming towards you, and that's very strong. This could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Aries, Leo, Saggy who is coming towards you. Yeah. Four of Wands. Wow. This person, oh God. Wands. A strong Aries, Leo, Saggy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn who is going to offer you commitment, love, marriage. A strong commitment is coming your way, singles. Okay. Yeah. just be happy, guys. Don't be in this energy, okay? Don't be in this energy where you are hurt. Just be happy, guys. Okay, I don't know. I feel that some of you are in pain, very much hurt, waiting for reconciliation. Yeah. Let me see if are you going to reconcile with this person, though it seems difficult for some of you, but still let me pull out one. Yeah, could be. For some of you, yes, you may reconcile with this person. For some of you, if you're waiting for this person to come back to you, yes, I feel that you may reconcile with this person, but this is for few of you, not for all, okay? So let's see if we have any advice for you, Sagittarius. Let's see what advice do we have for you. Let's see if we have any advice for Sagittarius. Let's see what advice do we have for you, Sagittarius. Walk through your fears. New moon in Scorpio. You're very fearful. I told you, you are in the energy of pain, hurt. You don't know what to do, stuck. Balance spirituality and practicality. Full moon in Pisces. Some of you could be dealing with a Scorpio and Pisces strongly. Maybe you are in an energy where you may have to take a decision, keeping spiritual and practical side together. Okay, so you'll have to be emotional and yet practical while taking the decision. So follow your heart, Sagittarius. That is what I feel. Just follow your heart. Don't be over emotional or over practical while taking the decisions. Okay, I think I don't have here. Let me see if I have any message here. Any message for Sagittarius singles? Any message for Saggy? Any message for my Saggy? Any message? Okay, some of you, you are not willing to get into a relationship because of your children. Yeah, maybe you are a single parent or something, but I do see children involved. Okay, maybe because you're so focused in raising your children that you don't want to get married so soon. And even if you have an option, you are not focused on that person. You are not paying attention to the person who is coming in your life, Saggy. Okay, let me see if I have any message for you, Saggy. Playfulness. Yeah, just be playful. Don't be so serious, Sagittarius. Okay, that's the message that I feel I'm getting here. Just be playful, flirt, know people, go explore, meet people. You never know who turns out to be your soulmate. Okay, now this is for singles. You're very hesitant. You have trapped yourself like this. You're stressed. You don't want to meet anybody. You don't want to talk to anybody. Don't be in this energy, because you will feel hurt if you are in this energy for long. Okay, for how long will you be in this energy where you are waiting for your ex to come back, or where you are waiting for reconciliation? So I feel that's the message. Just have fun, play along, meet people, flirt, go explore, know people. Okay, flirt in a good way. There's no harm in meeting new people and talking to them. Okay, you never know who turns out to be your soulmate. All right, so just enjoy and shine. Okay, just enjoy and shine. You have a beautiful life ahead, Sagittarius. Okay, so that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this reading, and if you did, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate with you. And you can stay in touch with me, my Instagram and Facebook page. All the details are mentioned below in the description box. You can connect to me there. For personals, you can visit my website jyotitarotreadings.com. Alright, So that is it, you guys. Love you all. Take care. Bye.